Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about software testing. What is software testing basically? A software testing is a process of identify the correctness of the software by considering it is all the attributes like reliability, scalability, portability, reusability, and visibility, and evaluation the execution of the software component to find the software bugs or error or defects. Means we are going to give the identification and we are going to give the all the software is working properly. Means in the software different modules are presented, right? In each software module is working, components are working properly or not, and we are going to find the bugs like defects we are going to find. For this is the one as in a software testing. Software testing is providing an independent view and object of the software and given the safety of the fitness of the software. Means when we are going to give the testing to the software, right? Any product, that product we are going to give, yes, this is a software is fitness and safety is presented, and we are going to shoot on that, and we are going to give the proper fitness software. It involves the testing of all the components under the required services to confirm that the whether it is safety and specified requirements or not. Like a client having some requirements, right? This is the any application. If you are taking the e-commerce application, the client having some different kind of things. Means he need the client view, this one I need, and who is going to provide the service, those purpose the separate view, and each module a look and feel and everything, and that or we are going to give the satisfaction for the client. Means we are going to provide a, yes, your requirement is reached, this is a defect free, like that we are going to give the, we are going to involving and we are going to test that entire the application, and this is the application is satisfied the required specification or not, we are going to test. The process is also providing the client with the information about the quality of the software. And the same thing I told you, right? When the requirement is coming, we are testing for the satisfaction, but the requirement is reached or not. And also we are going to provide the quality of the software to the client. Testing is a mandatory because it will be a dangerous situation if the software fails any of the time due to a lack of testing. Means in case banking application, you can see that a number of people's logging into the application and they are doing their activities like verifying the data, transacting the data. Nowadays online is most popular, right? At that time maybe how many members is login, and that one also we are testing because lakhs of people are increasing, that time application will be down or sometimes it fails, and that's also we are going to test and we are giving that. Because of that only testing is a mandatory. So without testing software cannot be deployed to the end user. Means once we tested, we can able to assure, yes, once a lakh of people are also logging, application will not be a fail, then we can able to give the assurance, then the developer going to deploy into the end user side. Until that QA sign off, they will not deploy. What is testing basically? Testing is a group of techniques to determine the correctness of the application under the predefined script, but testing cannot be find all the defects or specification. Whenever we're going to test a particular application, and we can able to predefined scripts like a predefined, we have the some methods like when we go into manual testing, we have the pre-required conditions. In these pre-required conditions, we are going to test the particular application and a particular group of modules. At that time we can able to find a few defects, and sometimes because on the middle they're going to change the documentation, at that time we are not able to find the defects. Maybe after deployment we will find, but 90% testers can find the all the ways of defects. Any defect, maybe one defect we will find it, but 90% I'm sure that testers can be find the defects. The main intensity of the testing is detecting the failures of the application so that failures can be discovered and corrected. Means before deploying, if you are finding the so many defects and they are before deploying, we are going to give the defects and their failures they will correct, and they will give to the testers, and we are going to test, and we are giving the correct of the flow of application. The success of the software depends upon the acceptance in targeting the audience, easy graphical user interface, and strong functionality load testing. Like, see, when we can able to give the software is successful, right? We have the target audience, like the user, which is the client, right? That user, he can able to satisfy the graphical user interface. Sorry, graphical user interface is properly is there, and he can able to easily understand, easily flow is working properly, and those all the things, if the client is satisfied, then we can able to say yes, this is a successful software. And this software testing, we have two types. One is manual testing, another one is automation testing. Manual is nothing but the process of checking the functionality of the application as per the customer needs without taking any help of automation tool is known as in manual testing. See, manual testing, when we are going to write, which is a client requirements are presented, that all the requirements we are going to check manually without any automation tools like Java, C Sharp, Selenium, using this kind of things, right? That all we are not going to use any programming language, it's not required. When we are going to use the manual testing, while we're performing manual testing, it's not required for the any coding standards. You need to know the basic things like what exactly I need to test. The manual, we have to know the what exactly the user expectation, what we need to test, what exactly the output we need to get. These are the things, if you know, then you can able to test the application without any software tools, without using that. Here there are three types. One is white box testing, black box, gray box testing. These are three things I will explain in the later videos, and this is the three types are presented in the manual testing. In automation side, we in the automation, this process is covering any manual testing cases into the test script with the help of automation tools or any programming language is known as an automation testing. This what is the manual tester has created the Excel sheet, and you can able to give that what is expectation, what is actual result, and what exactly the pass or fail. Those things is going to meditate on Excel, and we are going to that manual test cases, we are going to do automation scripts to converting that into automation using the automation side, using the any programming language, Java, Selenium, C Sharp, Selenium, or any kind of Python, like that we can able to use, and we can able to develop the scripts. With the help of automation testings, we can enhancing the speed of our test execution, because here we do not require any human effects. We need to write the test scripts and execution for those scripts. Means here, see, manual testing, it's like we need to step by step we need to test all the functionality using the test cases. Here, once you created the automation, we can able to write the automation scripts, and we can able to establish, and we can able to do the fast testing. Basically automation will come for the regression time, because we need to run one time, we need to get the regression suit output in the fast way. For that only the automation is required. That's all about this software testing. And if you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.